If you're interested in getting discounted access to my courses, or if you're interested in finding a job, or if you just want to stay current, I really recommend that you follow me on social media. And so here are links to my different social media accounts. You have twitter.com/Todd_McLeod. You have google.com /plus Todd McLeod with a capital like that. I'm not sure if it's case sensitive, but anyhow, that's the way it is. And I provided links to all of those social media accounts right here. And so you could get to this document, our course document, by going to this URL. And if you're just considering purchasing this course, I'm going to preview this lecture, a free preview. You could still come check out this course document and gain access to a lot of valuable resources. But just go to this URL right here, and then you could click on these links. It'll take you to my Twitter account. It'll take you to my Google Plus account, take you to all these accounts, and you could follow me. And then you could get access to the courses for discounts or often sometimes for free. I have a big network of people, and often I'm posting jobs, so you could watch for jobs in the areas that interest you. And also it helps you stay current because I post resources and things that I'm working on that don't always end up in my courses, or, as things evolve, it's the new material. So make sure you go to Twitter and Google Plus and follow me. And just for an illustration, my Twitter account this morning, because I was talking about this, I went and I posted a bunch of access codes for my courses. So free access to a lot of my courses, discounted access to my Learning to Program course. So if you get in there and go to Twitter, you'll be able to gain access to those resources. And as my new courses come online, this is one of the ways I promote them. It's one of the ways I share information about material I'm learning and staying current. And it's one of the ways that I help connect people. Like people come to me, hey, do you know anybody? And I say, hey, they're looking for somebody, and help people find jobs. So please connect with me so that I can help you out and share with you great information as I come across it.